In this video, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over a set of drill bits, actually a Forstner drill bit, similar like a paddle bit or a large drill bit or something like that. And these are a 1/2 inch in size, and this is a 3-piece. And this is from the company TOOLMAYS, the TOOLMAYS Pro. So taking them out of the box here, you know, I just got these things in and I'm going to show you what they look like. So this would be great for like running cords. So the thing I got this for is running like Cat 5 cable through studs in a wall. You can see how the bit tips look right there. And if you see one, you've seen them all. They're all basically the same. Every one of them, they're the same size. I have me a drill right here. So we'll go ahead, put one in, and be very careful putting these things in because you don't want to touch that at all while it's spinning. So I put it in, put a turn on it, and we are good to go. So you know what? Let me take this outside, grab a board, and let's drill some holes. Okay, I went ahead and brought the board in here, and this is about, you know, 1/2 inch right here, and we're just gonna drill a hole. Let me show you how this thing works. Check that out. So what it does, it makes a large size hole in the wood right there. You see how that basically went through. See how nicely that hole looks right there? That is a perfectly sized hole for like a cord. And look how quickly, I just can't get a good angle on it. I don't want to drill a hole through my table here, but you see that, how clean that looks? This is great for adding any type of like maybe wooden dowel or something like that. I think this would be a pretty good option. You can see how it just drills through, how cleanly that looks. And there you go. And there's the backside. You will get a little breakage on the backside, but just don't bear down so hard and it'll be fine. And you know what? These things come anywhere from a 1/2 inch to a 2 inch, and they're pretty much hardened steel, so they should last for a while. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the TOOLMAYS Pro Forstner drill bit. See y'all in the next video.